Alright, I finally got the Slimer Cinemark popcorn bucket. Now I'm going to fill this bad boy up with popcorn, watch all the Ghostbusters movies, so I'm ready for Ghostbusters Frozen Empire.
Popcorn.
Give us popcorn.
Popcorn.
Can I have some popcorn too? Wow. Megan never told me how haunted this basement was. I better start ghostbusting. Here, let me put this down. Let's suit up. Time to bust some ghosts. Hey! What happened to my popcorn bucket? Oh, you're gonna pay for that. Wait a minute. Once I capture these ghosts, where am I gonna contain them? So now, I'm missing a popcorn bucket, and I need a place to store these ghosts. What if I do that together? A popcorn bucket and a prop. Let's get to the video. What is up, everybody, and welcome to another episode brought to you by Backyard Zombie. And in today's episode, I'm going to be making my own Ghostbusters popcorn bucket. I wanted to do something creative for Ghostbusters, but I didn't know if I wanted to do like a replica prop or just like some kind of like inspired weapon. But with all the hullabaloo surrounded by all these popcorn buckets, whether it be from Dune or the AMC Ghostbusters, the Cinemark Ghostbusters popcorn buckets, I decided, what if I showed up to the movies with my own custom Ghostbusters popcorn bucket? And that's what really kind of made this video really happen, and I'm so excited to show you guys how I made this custom popcorn bucket for Ghostbusters Frozen Empire. And I really hope this video inspires you to take a bucket, be creative, and make something really fun. So, here's how I made my bucket, and let's get to the video. Alright folks, well you're going to need a bucket or container, various paints and parts, and your imagination for sure. And I'm calling this thing the Spectre, which is the Systematic Pressurized Ectoplasmic Containment Transporting Ejector Receiver. And it's just the name I made for the prop. But I'm going to start with this trash can that I got from At Home, and I love this trash can. I think it's so fun. It's small. It's got this removable bucket, and I think it's going to do really great. It's called a step bin, and I think I got it for about $10. Yep, I got it for $10. So we're going to figure out how we're going to, remove some stuff from this bucket and get it ready for painting. So I'm going to remove the lid because I have something special planned for the lid. And I'm going to tape off the sides because I actually want to spray paint some green inside. You don't actually end up seeing it very much, but I just wanted to be able to say, like, there's, like, ectoplasm slime on the inside of the bucket. So then we're going to get the lid ready, and I spray painted it with this red paint. And then my friend Maddie made me these awesome Ghostbuster stencils in various sizes because I didn't know what size I was going to need. But I have plenty of sizes in small, medium, large, and I'm going to take this medium one and I'm going to spray paint it black on the inside of the lid, so every time you open it, you can see that it's a Ghostbusters bucket. And when you hit that activation button, boom, Ghostbusters logo. It's so cool. Thank you again, Maddie. And now I'm going to add some slime because, I don't know, Slimer, slime, ectoplasm, I don't know. It just looks kind of cool. It makes the prop look used. And there's some green on the inside as well. And then we're going to do some 5-minute epoxy because I'm going to attach some of these Evil Ted pulls to this to make it look really cool. Kind of like make it look like it has function. So I painted that black. And then there's one on the side that's kind of white with red buttons. And I just was messing to make sure everything was working still. And then I'm going to break out of this green puffy paint to make the ectoplasm ooze. And this could be slime, this could be mood ooze, this could be anything you want it to be. And just be creative. I'm just adding details and layers. And I thought this puffy paint would really make a really cool slime. And when it dries, it looks very like 3D. It's very gooey. It's very gross. And I went around the entire bucket with this, and be careful between the seams if yours opens, because I had to cut mine to make it go back to opening because it was stuck for a while. And then I also painted another Ghostbusters logo that I went over with the puffy paint. You can barely see it there, but you see it better with the puffy paint actually on it. And then I drilled a hole in the side. I don't know why. I kind of messed up the hole, but I wanted to make it look like something was peeking out, and I was able to add this green LED light on the inside of this Evil Ted mold, so it lights up. So from the inside, it's like a secondary detail of it lighting up, and it looks really cool. And with some Moby Signco stickers, this bucket is done. And it's so fun. And there you have it, folks. That is how I made my custom Ghostbusters popcorn bucket. I love how this thing came out. I love that it actually activates and there's a big Ghostbusters logo inside. I love that I could actually, eat some popcorn in this like trash can. I don't know if I'm actually going to use this as a popcorn bucket, but I might use this as like a way to store some Ghostbuster stuff I have lying around the shop. But I really hope this video inspires you to like go out and take a bucket and make it creative. Whether Easter's coming up soon, maybe you can make a custom Easter basket, or you can make your own custom popcorn bucket. But I hope this video also inspires you to go out and go see Ghostbusters Frozen Empire, now playing in theaters. And if you liked this video, please think about liking, please think about subscribing, and hopefully we will see you in the next video, brought to you by Backyard Zombie. See you next time.
A few moments later.
The front yard ghoul will have his revenge soon.